Ate. So I love to shoot in my camera. The beautiful
Where are you
people.
from, ma'am?
Oh. Prasha Asian Vlog. Prasha.
Wait, ma'am. My phone in the house.
Okay.
subscribe यार.
So I'm gonna subscribe. Yes. Welcome back to my channel Prasha Asian Vlog. So today I'm heading towards the veggie market, which is in actually Valenzuela, Barangai. So you are thinking what I'm going to do veggie market? So yes, I'm gonna tell you because today it's a challenge $50 purchasing. So I'm going to purchase $50 groceries and household items in the veggie market. So yes, be with me, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel Prasha Asian Vlog. So it's my challenge today that I am going to purchase $50 purchasing. So let's see what's going to be interesting inside veggie market and what I will purchase and what I will. So right now I'm on the Niconar Garcia Street, and it is the way to go to the Valenzuela Barangai. So I'm heading towards the Valenzuela Barangai. Not make a list what to purchase actually. So I will randomly purchase the things which. Hi. So I'm gonna purchase randomly the things which I needed the most. 27-degree temperature in Manila. So, and it's actually 1 kilometer away from my residence because I am in Makati right now, but it will take approx 10 to 12 minutes or 20 minutes to reach to the veggie market, which is in actually Valenzuela, Barangai in Old Manila. So yes, I'm going to cross the road. I'm about to reach to the veggie market. It will take approx 7 minutes to reach. So, and it's actually very bright day, but yes, the air is blowing. So there are very pretty houses, very small, very cute houses. So in front of their houses, they actually keep the washing machine, and they are washing their clothes, and their pets are, hello baby, and their pets are sitting. So actually they plant a number of trees in front of their houses and they also maintain the proper hygiene and sanitation. So there are actually very cute, very pretty houses actually, and their vehicles are also parked in front of their houses. So yes, it is actually going to be very amazing experience for me. And there's a church also. And it's actually the very bright sunny day. So this is the reason I put a cap on my head. So this is the church. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this parrot. How beautiful. Hello. There is another church which is very beautiful. How amazing the architecture. So guys, I reached to the veggie market, which is actually in Old Manila, and I'm here at the veggie market. So I'm going to purchase few veggies, household items, and I don't know what I will purchase. I have not created a list what to purchase. purchase randomly what I need to do purchase. So yes, let's start. So I'm gonna enter into this veggie market. Hello, hi. So there are number of cute and little houses, and actually they are very clean houses. Hi all.
Ayol!
You people are hi all.
Ayol!
You people are fine, and I am impressed the way the
Where are you
people.
from, ma'am?
Oh. So guys, I'm gonna purchase this buko water. Actually in Filipino they call the buko water, and it's actually and it's actually very tasty, and it's cost me how much?
20 pesos.
So it cost me 20 pesos only for though I think this is the 500. How much?
1 liter.
This is 1 liter. So this cost me 20 pesos for 1 liter of buko water. Can you imagine? This is actually very affordable, and it's very sweet in taste. So I'm gonna purchase the coconut water. So he's actually packing the coconut water in the polythene. So it's actually very fresh coconut water. So yes, I'm gonna purchase the next coconut water.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Do you also vlog? No? What's your name? What's your name?
Ren.
What?
Ren Pogi.
Redneck?
Ren.
Redwin.
Yeah.
So this is the way they actually cut the coconut, and this is the drain, how they drain the coconut water. It's actually very fresh.
Hey boss.
So there are number of window shopping store. Here you can purchase the raw organic meat, a number of fresh organic veggies. And this is actually household items here in this shop. And this is the variety of rice. They are selling at 35 1/4 grapes at 35, and they are selling the pineapple, a lot of fruits actually, which is very fresh and organic. So guys, I'm gonna purchase a few groceries items here in this shop. So my challenge is to purchase $50 groceries or household items. So I'm gonna purchase a few groceries. Hello all, so I'm gonna purchase groceries. How lengthy actually it is. So this is my first purchase. So I'm gonna keep like this. Okay. So what would be my next purchase? Let's see. my next purchase is actually potato. Do I need to buy more? I'm asking to you. Next, आगे से आओ थोड़ा. Next, what do we purchase? क्या खरीदना है? And guys, next I'm going to purchase tomato, which is actually in a very high rate. So here, look at the tomato. Ooh. Yay.
Marami ka pa bang scratch, Dave? Marami pa kayo scratch? Kaya kuha na ko ah.
So I need to buy more onions because I love onions. Indians love onions. So if you are in search of affordable shopping, grocery items, household items, or few dresses, you can visit this San Diego street. So you can find this veggie market here only in San Diego street, which is in actually Olympia, Barangay. So here you can find the organic meat, veggies, organic fruits, number of things you can find, and it is most important, this is actually very affordable and very fresh. Yes, I have purchased a number of grocery items, fruits, and I have completed my $50 challenge. So here you can purchase a few dresses, lower, one piece, top, everything it's here, and you can do actually very affordable shopping here. And guys, it's raining, so everyone is wrapping their items because it's raining heavily. So this is the reason I put umbrella over me. So I'm going to purchase next a few fruits from this store. So I'm not sure what I'm going to purchase in fruits, but yes. तो बन गया होगा इनफ ना. So I'm going to show you the number of foods they are actually selling. So I'm going to earn my next subscriber and this is going to be very funny. So want to visit Philippines or Makati, you can visit here at this store and you can buy the affordable fruits, veggies. What's your name?
Chari.
Chari?
Chari.
And what's your shop name?
Leasto.
Next I'm going to purchase the apple, which is very fresh. So I'm going to show you.
10 पीस ले लो.
This is the 10 pieces.
That's 10 pieces.
Prasha. Okay, it's mistaken. क्या कर रहे हो? इसको पास से क्यों बना रहे हो? Prasha.
One piece.
pieces of apples here, and the owner actually gifted me. The owner gifted me additional apples on the purchasing of 10 apples. So yes, how sweet. Now first I'm going to purchase dalandan. So in Filipino they call it dalandan. This is actually oranges. Dalandan. They have actually the panchit content, which is actually the panchit content national dish. So they have actually the panchit content, which is actually the national dish of the Philippines. They have number of panchit content here in the shopping store. बारिश हो रही है बिंटू
फेसबुक में
शैलजा हेलो आते हाय आते हाँ यही हूँ मैं YouTube पे भी जाके फॉलो कर दो YouTube पे ये Prasha Asian.
यही नाम है तुम्हारा?
यही आ तो गया, ऊपर ही आ गया तो सब्सक्राइब करो, ज्वाइन ये मेंबरशिप के लिए है,
मेंबरशिप वाला है।
ओके। So yes, I have gained 2 subscribers, most valuable subscribers here in the shopping store. So I'm very happy. So yes, I'm going to purchase the next few grocery items in this shopping store. So you can also visit this store. So actually I'm going to show you the number of fresh veggies they are actually selling in this shopping store. So until now I have purchased 3 groceries items. So one is potato, next onion, and third I have purchased the beans, 2 bundle of beans. So now I'm planning to purchase few more grocery items. So I will purchase more grocery items at the same shopping store. So comment me what should I purchase. So if you are interested, if you like to watch more and more Philippines vlog, because I like to shoot more people, because you people are very kind, very cute, very beautiful also. So I love to shoot in my camera the beautiful people, the beautiful places in the Philippines. So yes, you can like, share and subscribe, and you can also share to your family and friends. Yes. Would you like to subscribe my channel Prasha Asian Vlog? Because I have gained a number of Filipino subscribers in my YouTube channel, and it is
Okay, I will subscribe. You will type your...
Yes, I'll type. What's your name, Poo?
Cholo.
Cholo?
Yes.
Nice name. And what's your store name?
Velasco Store. Velasco Store. So now he is the owner of this shopping store, and Cholo is now going to subscribe my channel Prasha Asian Vlog.
What name in your...
नोटिफिकेशन रहा था
What name, madam? If you...
Thank you so much. So,
They're sending star, madam.
yes, of course.
This is our Prussia Asian vlog. Okay, Asian vlog. Yeah, in the YouTube.
Yes.
I subscribe your name there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your friend.
Okay, you can repeat it again.
Yeah.
What you are saying?
Yeah, you introduce mom your friend to
Yeah.
buy here vegetable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And more discount.
Okay, sure. So this is going to be viral video on YouTube. So guys, I have purchased a number of groceries items. So I think it would be cross I think $30. So I have completed my challenge of $30 gross in this store. So what I have purchased, I'm gonna show you this tomato. And next I have purchased this potato. And next the beans. This is actually the 2 bundle of beans. And I don't know what it's called in English. And yes, next I have purchased this cabbage and the onion. So now it's time for billing the groceries. So it's done for today. So if you want to visit this shopping store, they also give you a discount, so you can purchase here the grocery in this shopping store. हाँ हाँ आ रही हूँ. वहाँ पे कितने के दलंदन दिए थे उसने? यहाँ 20 के दिए हैं. And I have purchased the dalandan. So actually dalandan is a kind of oranges, and it's in Filipino they call it dalandan. So they have actually the number of fruits. I'm gonna show you. So they have actually apples, dalandan, bananas. They have actually very fresh and organic fruits. So peach, mango. So guys, I have completed my $50 challenge by purchasing the number of groceries and fruits. So here the people are very kind. They actually greet whenever they meet, whenever they see, they look at the people, they actually started smiling. So this is actually very amazing way of greet someone. So yes, I'm too much impressed the way of the greet people. So I'm too much impressed how they greet the people. This is actually the playground area. So here kids can play football or badminton. So I'm about 2 hours completed. So now it's time to move towards my house. So I'm going to the house. So guys, if you like this vlog, please don't forget to like this vlog and don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and yes, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Prasha Asian Vlog. Okay, bye.